You probably already know that Midjourney is an AI tool that has been widely used for a long time and is considered one of the pioneers of AI video today. And as we can see, all the video results from Midjourney look incredibly good and, of course, very realistic. But unfortunately, the pricing is quite expensive for beginners or content creators who rely on AI-generated videos. If we look at the pricing section, the monthly cost for Midjourney starts at around $10 per month. And if you choose the standard plan, it goes up to $30. It can become even more expensive if you upgrade to the Pro or Mega plan. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Midjourney for free right now, and even create unlimited videos using Midjourney's model. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. But before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to make more exciting content for all of you. Who among you doesn't know that it turns out Meta has already collaborated with Midjourney to use their AI model on the Meta AI site itself? And it turns out with this collaboration, you can use the Midjourney model for free starting right now. We will try to learn how to do it. The first way, you only need to open the site meta.ai. Well, it turns out that if we use Meta, we can use the Midjourney AI video model for free and unlimited. If we look at the video results made in meta.ai, they are very good. And maybe you wouldn't expect that the model used here is the Midjourney AI model. Well, then how do we use this AI for free? Let's go straight. The first thing, you just need to click the icon that's here, or you can click Login on the right side. Later, you will be taken to the login screen. And if you have ever logged in using your Instagram or Facebook account, you will be taken to a page like this and just click Login. If you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to a screen like this, and here you can enter commands to create images or videos using meta.ai. Besides that, you can also use the chat feature that's here, just like you use ChatGPT, but in this video, we will focus only on creating images and videos using the Midjourney AI model. Then how do we create images here? The first thing, you just need to enter the command and the prompt in the chat column here. But if you have a reference image, you can insert your reference image. But because we only have the command or text prompt to image, let's just enter it here, then we just send it. Then later, the image we ask for will be generated, and in one generate it will process 4 images at once. Just imagine the image creation process here is quite fast and quite easy, without you having to open Discord again to use Midjourney, and now we will wait for the results. This is the result that was made. Here I made several images of a girl from Korea, and this image of course can be downloaded directly if you want. But what's cool in meta.ai is we can still do or add editing so that our image matches what we want. For example, I will choose the image I like. From these 4 images, I will choose just the last image. Now we can edit the image we have chosen. If we go to the right side here, there are several settings we can use. For example, the first one, we can determine the style or change the style of the selected image. There are already many styles available, including 3-dimensional, anime, paper, illustration, and many more. Well, for example, I will try to use the illustration style. We click here, then later, 4 new images will be processed on the left side, and we will try to see whether the result is that good. Well, after it's finished, you can see on the left side, the image has been changed into an illustration image, and if we look at the original image, it's really very similar to the original like this. So in my opinion, this really makes it easier for us. Meta AI gives you free AI without spending any money at all, and the results can surpass paid AI. Well, when it's like this, you can immediately edit in another part. For example, I will try the first image earlier. I want the shirt color in this image to be changed because I don't like the shirt color. So I just enter the command in the image edit section, then right away I send it, and later 4 new images will be processed. So indeed, for image creation here, it's always 4 images, but it's different if you later create a video. Well, now as we see, for this image, the shirt color has been changed into black like this, and of course this is already according to our request. Now I will try editing in another part. I want on the hair section there to be a headband that will be placed here. So I make a short command like this, then we send it, and we just wait. Well, now as you see, a headband has been added on her head. Then how do we change the image here into a video? It's quite easy. We just go to the bottom section and there are two settings you can see. The first one, you can change it into animation automatically. You just click on animate, then later it will be animated automatically. But if you have a command or prompt, you can click at the bottom, then later for the prompt, you just fill it in here, and you can add the available music that has collaborated with Meta.ai. Then you just click animate. But here, I will try to use the automatic animation feature provided by Meta.ai earlier. Here, I will just click on animate. Then you see on the left sidebar, one video has been made, and now as you see on the sidebar, a new video has been made and is now being processed. Now we see the result. An animated video has been created automatically, and the video duration here is about 5 seconds. If you want to extend it again, it's allowed and free. Here we can just click on extend. If we click, it will generate for the video. Later, 4 seconds will be added to the video time. Now the video is finished, and if you see the duration has become 9 seconds, can you still add to the duration? Of course, we click once more to extend, then 4 more seconds will be added. You must know for extension here, 4 seconds per one generate will be added. So if you want to make it 1 minute, of course it's allowed. Here you just click to extend. Later, you will get a longer duration according to your desire. If you are finished extending the video, there is still one feature you can use, which is changing the style. So even though you have finished making the image and the video, you can still change the style with the available styles here. You can choose one, and later it will be changed automatically. Well, you can also explore because there are still many styles you can choose. For example, I will choose one available style here, then it will directly process the video creation. Well, that is how to use Midjourney AI for free using Meta.ai. Hopefully this video helps you and you get many good inputs from me. To support me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can be more motivated, because sometimes I often cry seeing no one interacting at all. See you in my next video.